Question number 7. 3 villages A, B, and C are such that B is 53 kilometers on a bearing of 295 degrees from A, and C is 75 kilometers east of B. Part A. Using a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 10 kilometers, draw a diagram to show villages A, B, and C. And then part B, we are told to determine the distance in kilometer of C from A. So it is good first we draw a sketch. So we have point A, which is village A. Then we draw a line from point A upwards. We mark it north. Then from this point we measure an angle of 295 degrees to locate village B. So we have village B. Then from village B we draw a line east of that B. We measure 75 kilometers to locate point C, which is village B. Then join village A to C, and that is what is expected. So we expect something which looks like this. We have our sketch. Now we go to the real construction. We have our village A. We use our ruler to draw a line on village A. So that is a line from village A. We mark it north. Then from that line we are supposed to measure 295 degrees using our protractor. But we do realize that a protractor can measure a maximum of 180 degrees. But we know that from this point all the way back to that point is 360 degrees. So we can measure 65 degrees on the anti-clockwise direction, because we know that bearing is always measured in clockwise direction. So we measure in anti-clockwise direction 65, and we minus from 360 to get 295. So I have 65 right there. So after marking that, I join that point to village A to locate village B. Join with a straight line. So to locate village B, we need to use our pair of compass, which is adjustable, to give us the distance. So we pick the compass, we place it at town A, So we have our protractor right here. Along this line we adjust to measure 5.3, which will represent 53 kilometers. So we have 5.3 centimeters. We mark that point and label it village B. So now we have village A and B, and we need to locate village C. We draw a line upwards from village B and we mark it north. So we have north over there. Then with our protractor we have to measure 90 degrees from point B to go eastward. Make sure you place your protractor in the right position, and then you mark 90 degrees. That is 90 degrees. Join these 2 points using your ruler. And make sure you extend your line, because we don't know how long it will be from the village C. So we draw a long line joining that point, we extend it. Now we can locate C, which is along that line we've drawn, and C is given as being 75 kilometers from B. So we take our compass again, place it at town B, and adjust to 7.5 centimeters to locate village C. So this is 7.5 centimeters. We mark that as village C. Then we can remove our compass. Now we can join point A to C. So point A to C, we join with a straight line using our ruler. We draw a straight line joining village A and C. Now we can measure that distance to answer part B of the question using our pair of compass. Place it at town A then we adjust to measure the distance from town A to C. And after you do your construction, you'll realize that from A to C you will have 3.4 centimeters plus or minus 0.1, so that is 3.4 multiplied by 10 to give us in kilometers, and that is 34 kilometers.